Natural remedies for receding gums, natural cures dude. Many people have discovered natural remedies for receding gums. Not only are these types of remedies much more affordable, they also save the user a ton of time and effort as they go through the trial and error process of figuring out exactly what works and what doesn't. Here are a few great tips you can use right now to help fight the battle of the gum recession and to avoid getting any worse. First, in terms of dental health, don't put anything in your mouth without checking it for any signs of food or substance that could be potentially harmful. This includes brushing your teeth with any type of sugary toothpaste or mouthwash product. It's always best to read the label and make sure that the product you're buying isn't loaded with sugar or other sweeteners. This is especially important if you are someone who is prone to periodontal disease or have been diagnosed with it. Many types of toothpaste contain sugar, which can actually result in your gums becoming weaker and more susceptible to receding gums and other gum problems over time. Next, make sure that every night you floss well and thoroughly. This will ensure that you are taking the extra measures needed to keep your gums healthy by removing food particles that may have made their way down into the pockets between your teeth and gums. However, you also need to floss not just in the same location but in between each tooth as well. The goal is to rid your mouth of any food residue so you won't be tempted to reach down into your pocket again to grab a snack. If you have already been diagnosed with periodontal disease or are currently suffering from it, then the chances are pretty good that you've heard about some type of procedure that can help you. You may have seen ads on TV or found information on the internet about dental procedures that can help you prevent a whole host of dental and periodontal disease complications. What you may not be aware of, however, is that many of these procedures can be quite expensive. Why take the chance when there are so many natural remedies for receding gums that you could follow? After all, it's your dental health that's at stake. When the gums begin to recede, they often do so slowly. It may take weeks or even months for the gums to recede all the way. In many cases, they never really go away completely. If you want to find out how to prevent this from happening to you, it is important to find out what you can do to reverse the progression of the gums. One natural remedy for receding gums that you may have heard of before involves using an essential oil. An essential oil is made from several different aromatic chemicals, and because each has different healing properties, they work in conjunction with each other. For example, some essential oils are effective against bacteria while others are great against tooth decay. By using a combination of several essential oils, you can work on healing your gums and restoring their health. Lemon balm, peppermint, and tea tree oil are some of the essential oils that you can use. These are especially effective against bacteria, which is what causes tooth decay. By applying a small amount to the affected area, you can help your gums to heal, and at the same time, these essential oils will help to restore the health of your teeth. You can do this by taking a cotton ball that is filled with the lemon balm or peppermint and gently rubbing it into the gum line. Be sure to do this for a few minutes each day until the gum line begins to heal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for future updates.